Ya all supportive group of trans people na organize toba amadi at maga kusam naraga Mumbai da base toba NGO Humsafar Trust na funding togduna trans people singi sports meet ama pangthoki. Sports meets aduda trans men amadi trans women singa football match ama susanaki. Maru oina masida thamliba pandamdi sports ta trans people singi platform ama pitham thoi nupa amadi nupi haina khak khaiban natana trans people singi su yauna category ama khaibi duna makhoi singi su opportunity ama piba yai haibagi awareness ta sports meets asi sinkhibani
Sigi event se akoina LGBTQ community ke base community ba pota akoina base tawra sinjabane ba haibadi khogi society ji da khoi manipur se da transgender haitar su sports yawo phangdaba degi khudong thiba adugumba tabada nungaitaba wahi myama thengna badagi khoina ngasi gi sports se khogi transgender gi oina smile sinjabane
akoi third gender je tasingna habda ngasi society ji da khoi jamna lower class ki type ta khanbiba adu khanbiba myam sigi mamang si da khoi jo ama mi ama oina hingba ngammi haibado khoi jum kai haini human being amani na haibado adu utpagi program ne lawse
masigi ibel se hoi pangthok na bohona bada adu ki mate gwai haiba tai maram di kaino haita da mapan thokpa ngam da ba transgender mayam lei adu moi myam da puthok na bohona bada so yang wai adu ki mathakta moi sing jigi langna na ba ta seng na haibla transgender sing je senda lambi leite yang wai moi se kamai tong na mafam ji yorang na bohona da khoina gari nung tawdana aina ahing dei hogalaga moi mogi yum da sangaga moi lawi yawningi adu toim sung lak pagi khudong sa balai te maram de line gi gari nung lai tabane na mayum chalaga ai pung ahum makai mari de hogalaga moi gi yum chalaga ai law holu ba ngak tane khang da ba lai raga su ngasi di akhoi transgender sing je smana mapan thokpagi program je khoi yam toina tawningi tom sung laikai gem sung club ki khoi gi mateng se laite khoi sen se lai jade Humsafar Trust na sumaina noi gi sport tournament ama silu haina khoi da sumaina tawbirak ko je khoi ta seng na harau je mayam ang su sauthok se de khoi gumba mayam ama khoi gi transgender mayam ama sai punsel laga moi gi society ama lai ha se public ta khangan bagi su achauba kaina program sida ai haijaninge aduga Humsafar Trust adai laikai ski club su ai ngamkhai leitana thagachari
Kerala da mamangi sahida India all India gi oina han ba pangthok he na ta jai masida pangthoi basina all India gi oina anirak subani haibudu da khoi su yamna interest leina mako da adudi tausina yamna kana ba khoi gi su haibudi transgender sing sibu society sida mako da yangbiri ba mi jeng do khajik tang hongba mijeng lakadra na khoi admain tawna hojikti world da hongba se lakrabani haibadi atopa country sing da masigi anova gender haiba tare ko makhoi sing ji recognize tawduna constitution semdokduna tawna grabani na aikoi su adubu support adum taw haiba si aikoi mioi ba mo oina pokpagi tawum thokoi thaunen khanduna khoi support tawjebani
So the Humsafar Trust has been working for LGBTQ health and human rights in India since 1990s. So it's about 24 years now, and we have recently also been working at a national level. So we have been working with smaller initiatives and smaller, towns, etc. all over the country.
This event is I give a motivator. Gadi akhoi society state da akhoi first gender, second gender, ma third gender akhoi lai riba. State da mayam na nam na uba se first gender and second gender, third gender se kitang mayam na nam thana ubi bagum tawba. Masai state akhoi na phongdok chaningi badi third gender akhoi su changta de first gender second gender chap mane aduna mayam da first gender second gender na tawbangam da akhoi su tawbangam mi haibadu uthokna bagi damakta sigumba yakchanga mari leina na masai ja tanja silokjabane han da ai school da su yamna problem lairakpa imanabi sing na su tina bi da ba imanaba na su tina da ojana so akhoi gi behavior da haina traga thi sai school kaning da ba singum map pe adu but ai gi hotna jaman haigada wara su wana ina hotna pa imung na namdana ai school tam halakpa family sing da su akhoi na tawriba pot se matang gi matung ina kitang khangbirakpa hairaga akhoi da su hena akhoi apamba da su yetaba lyrics da butam hodiness maina imung gi family na ayaba pirakpa da nga sigi kai status sida yobangam jaban han
koi imai ben adagi angang hadi first gender second gender ko mayam ama saruk yabi akhoi bu section senabi aduga samna ngasigi events ya asuki matik outside akoi society atagi genders ne support to be have samna har kan ngasigi play field YRSC club ki play field ni akoi na haizer oba matam da sum event am pang to ka have matam da mogi yausang sport mi sibo first day second day na thaira thamaga 2 days sibu habdi haing na orphan gi ngasi na khoi third gender gi na moina kathok pi ba ko plus club ki chinau sing na kai gum ba tong jaba ma talai tananga sai gi khoi gi namte sports sin na bhona da volunteer to bi ba hadi ai khoi gi damangta sogat pi ba da imai ben mayam na phambi ra ga sai gi sangbi ba adagi lamben da lakpa mayam na khama ga khoi da clef khubak khubi ba sina akhoi society da singum event sin je hen hen silaga di ko asuki mate acceptance fangin khale adu nga sai gi ubasu acceptance asuki mate koi
Our society traditionally is bifurcated into two genders, male and female. So even when the child is born, the first thing they ask is it a boy, is it a girl? So, they don't say, is it a transgender? They don't say that, right? So there's a complete, strict bifurcation of sexes, and the world all over sees only two sexes. So anything coming in between creates confusion in an ordinary people's lives. Okay, they don't understand how to address you. They don't understand what social role should be expected from you. They suppose you're talking to a man. You will understand that that man has certain social relations. He's a father, he's a son, and he has a certain role expectation in the family. And in a woman also you will know when you're talking or interacting. But to a transgender, people are confused of their identities. So anything which is confused, in sociology, for example, we say that it is an anomaly. It's an ambiguous category. Ambiguous category, the yam ki ba. No, why do you think a woman with menstruation, for example, is kept separated? The ambiguity neba. Everything which is ambiguous, which is neither here nor there, people are generally afraid. Afraid already, that means obviously they don't want it to be near them. Anything like uchida ki, if you're afraid of a rat, won't you just try to fly it away? So similarly, anything which is confusing in a normal people's mind is also a thing to be frightened of. So the moment you're frightened of something, you will try to avoid that thing. If it's coming to you, if it's coming near you, you will try to wipe it off. And if you are a really orthodox minded person, you will think that this person is trying to create chaos in the society. Let us finish it off. So in that extreme sense, then the violence comes. So people's unacceptability of multiple sexual identity creates violence against transgenders.
Struggle tauropai hairagadi thuidokpa yam ka haine struggle tawbadi leite punsida tasengna hairaga haibadi aigi lifestyle je yam nungaina leile pabudi ma babana support yam tawre aduga tasengna hairagadi yam nungai gi daba haitaragadi akoina aina firstly I say isana realize tawpa matam do trans woman ni transgender ni ne realize tawpa matam da locality na haibadi surrounding haitare aigi environment na yamna kaini haina daba moida yamna kaini akhoi se pra tongan individual ama oibe type ta khalakpa de classmate ta haraga so high school higher secondary graduation power europe matam da college karapa da mayam se madi anambana nupi na di tawe ba kham haibadi nupi singje kai haidunu khangda do nupi khatang so mo haibe ado nupa na su dum tinna ning da ba loina ning da ba kauning da ba ngang da ba adugi ignorance mayam lakpa duna khoina class attend tong ningak ta ba sengna haraga class attend tong ningak ta ba moida fazana cooperate tong ningak ta ba adu mayam adu khatang nungaite
aina angang ngai da haibdi school kai da ai nupi rom da phambi nupi rom pham do ibana bi sung ibana myam da ngang bi ajogi lekai kana oisu roi yingning de khote haiba tongja sa jai se nupi dress kra sa sala ke do tun midnight khole myam ngang bi ko ado kitang ngai te nuga aina sat pakuding da daw ga dekrai bi ajogi aina kapa halapa sawi yumda adogi hadi angang ngai do so ai nupi dress yam ngong jare nupi ma pam sari eba arai punsi da do hadi family so yam ngangi baba ne so ai nupi gi phanek nung sepada fugi chaigi ado ꯕꯕꯥ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯗꯥꯖꯅꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯥꯂꯌꯥꯎ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯅꯤ
ꯁꯥꯡꯂꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯂꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯪꯂꯨꯕꯗ ꯖꯦꯅꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯈꯤ
ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯖꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯠ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯥꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯊꯝꯅꯕꯅꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯧꯅꯕ ꯒꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯖꯦꯟꯗꯔꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯖꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯨም ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ.
The victim here is not just transgender child. Also the victim are parents. One must understand that. Because they are not understanding with this fact. So they are also suffering. You see, their suffering is also genuine. Okay. So, therefore we need a society. First of all, which I said in the previous this thing, that more tolerant society. So if there's a more tolerant society, they will not be afraid to tell the society, their relations and all, that don't talk like that, this child has a different sexual identity. Please don't talk to my child like this. That child has a different sexual identity. And then give that child a space. Let him do or let her do whatever she wants to do. But the parents have to be very brave. They need to learn to be very brave, to accept a different sexuality of the child. But they can be brave if their relatives support them. If the society says it's okay to have a transgender child.
Kram Loidang Kabati national player ni aduga lekai miyamna tamcha hairaga khangnei maupa nupa laikhidraba tungda maupa nupagi macha luhongbada mapa amagi saktam loduna mantopta phamki amadi chahi amada amuktang lakpa ningol chakobada mache machel singbu mahakna mawung maupagi saktam loduna chakobikhi
pi dagi khalakpa wakhando ado sumaina nupa ama oina laibaje aigi apambo oire adagi ima ipa lairaktabadaidi ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯊꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯜꯂ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯤꯟ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯟꯗ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯍꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ 2-3 ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯏꯊꯟꯗ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯨꯕꯤꯔꯒꯦ
ꯆꯍꯤ 15 ꯃꯨꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯥꯇꯩ ꯆꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯟꯁꯤꯒ ꯀꯣꯟꯅꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯥꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯧ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯥ ꯋꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯩꯗ ꯇꯥꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯨꯍꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐꯧ ꯋꯥꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯍꯪꯀꯟꯗ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯇꯗꯅ ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯣꯗ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯇꯅꯒ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯤꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯐꯤꯡꯕ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯐꯨꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯠ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯈꯥꯡꯉꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯄꯤꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯗꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯐꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯝꯃꯒ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯣꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯇꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯈꯟꯇꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯎꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯖꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎ ꯁꯦꯠꯄꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯜꯐꯤꯌꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯇꯥꯎꯕꯤ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯇꯥꯎꯕꯤ ꯑꯅꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯔꯥ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯂꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯈꯟꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯀꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯋꯥꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯑꯣꯟꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯇꯪꯀꯣ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯩ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯄꯥꯅꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯜꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯖꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎ ꯁꯦꯠꯄꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯊꯤꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ खाली आई जस्ट ऐसी युमजे आई नुपीदुगा आईगा लेनी कनाम लेबा नते मसीदे अफा फता अवा अना जितना लांथिंग नगेन लेने भाई अदु नुपा अमना तव थबक आई ngmme haba jai ko hadi ai nupi thira leire hoi icha po pok taba tongan ba ni adu mi begi sangsar gi chana begi palol lan akoina chatluramne adu madi thingre adubu nupa amana tawba ngamba thabak kadai bok tawba ngamme je akoina su ulli
but it is not just for having a child that two people are living together so because that is the only reasoning that why do you think we have institution of marriage institution of marriage is simply because we want our society to reproduce if you don't reproduce we will die no it will become extinct so our basic social function in the society is to reproduce to have more children so any relationship of any sexuality which doesn't serve the purpose of having a child is a useless union okay so we have to the society has to understand that reproduction is not the only reason for two human beings to coexist it can be love it can be companionship it can be understanding it can be security so if the people understand that then we will come out of this male and female sexual union we'll come out of that so any two people living together first thing will not strike our mind that are they husband wife if they're not husband wife then what they are if they're husband wife they have their children why aren't they having their children so those questions will not come in our mind if we understand that any two people or three people they want to live together that is why they're living together not for any further reproduction of the society see understanding if it comes if this understanding comes in our society we will have more acceptability towards transgenders
ट्रांसजेंडरसिंग असिना लेपा नाइद्रबा होटनाजमन लेमना मांगदे हाइबा असि चावना उटपिरी हौजिक्ति इमुंग मनुंग मखोइना पुबा कया अमनी अमदी मालेम असिनसु मखोइबु तरामना ओक्लिबा असि मसाना मसाबु थाजजबा चौथोकजबा असिनसुनी हौजिक्ति मखोइना पामलिबगी मायोक्ता जैबीबगी मुहुत्ता पुन्ना भाव तामिनदुना चौखटबगी लंबीदा कैटेगरी अमता खाइदना पुन्ना खुसमिनदुना जंगसिनमिनरसि
fundamental rights violate torpa se no one can do that akoina fundamental rights hairaga khangna gadoisi legal perspective tagi lobo taragadi those kind of rights which cannot be taken away from any person haibe athadi for example right to life and personal dignity aduga personal liberty sigi right to life and personal liberty sigi manungda embed tawraga leiri se embed tawraga leiba pot ama koina right to dignity haiba amasu leiri si se himoi mioi bomne hingbada sunglo lokthok pa yaroi da bane every person needs to maintain a dignity and that dignity needs to be respected by the other person also. So this is what fundamental right talks about. Aduga atopa equality before the law haibadi even nupi nupada equal protection of law laita ragadi makoi su as a human being amana moi su protected moi gi damak law ma laigadabni haibasi adum laijarabani. Now if somebody the state mechanism mana natraga any state authority amana makoi gi phangbam thokpa subida adu karigumba constitutionally moi the people like piraga leiba subida adu lokthokani without any justifiable ground, without any verifiable reasons. Adumaina torokpa taragadi the particular transgender person can always approach the concerned court of law to seek for his rights. See, basically, a high court to high court fundamental rights violate high court na entertain tawai and the Supreme Court.
Ahamada subam nobam khangdana zum leirame mi palar khara zat adagi ama da khara yaw zum mating dem tor leirame hauji maruloi foundation ga thengnabadagi government employee makha da lakpa tailoring thahung cross free cross ne asi moina tawraga simbiraga yawhanba phangani hanbada ai kano to piing ida aina nupi manbe moin horakpaje aigi pabungna yamna sauba nungaitaba ma oye de imungda zum yamna tati toin toba laik tamba da sungaire aina laik paring ida boro moi zum ngangba khopa myam da tabda nungaitaba sumba problem myam thoe da aina piing ida di isai yam pamna hogjarakpane do imungi support yaudramna dumuti phangdre Tamoina bin bawa tabada nokning bawai hanglanu nushibara amu kumdingi nushibna halamle nangi nushina tatobiranu amu bukning selang takna hanbiranu Hauji Maruk Life Foundation Gori Sana Bakopa Sanka no Tobudagi, Imung Manunzu Karabudi Gam Tare, Hanaga Toramba Mind Todre, and Aina Nupiman Bim or some labor Simu Kasukai, there is Giloyar.
I give me Tombagoe. Kuzuman Maning the guy there. What number one? How be some tomba? It's going to it's going to have the some song was cutting ever. Panisek can Panisek as a separate yard, Minisette. Some song carpets, I think, was some was Anna Sungamba. Wasangang pasda kati putrok pasika keto zaina hayeng have the cadre as is car in tam light tam hurricane lepe as the kimmer foundation thing of the key moi mating the some size is halle.
Now see say nature of violation is also very important. Third gender ama oina yamna hanthaba thaktai sum yengbiraga samaj le for example police na tobireng khalo na traga any third private person amna moi the phuba chaiba toreng khallaseba Adugi approach they have every right to approach the concerned police to approach Toraga legal action to Maina Magi penal action local Hanbagi nature of violative offense to Adu Queen Han Uga Neba. Aduna segregate to bombs of Queen Matok Tarakani violence to Mangoda Tatita Win Toba atrocity Mayamama commit to Biraga Mangoda assaulting Weba nature da Puba Chaiba Dumain to Birakta di Magi. Koi penalization haidana Indian penal code kida makada meme na kut thaba meme bu phuba chaiba tawgi oina dandi ke phangni se dum codified ore leibina adugi oiba term du da ma dum police da ma approach torok ta ni adu authority being police tu no oibina mangon tori mi do phagat pungat pa tawraga adugi penal oiba punishment to phangna bu khonara kani
da aini he khanga pa trans movement ni khanga pa matam da ai gi freedom phangi mikup to habadi parlor ki professional beautician artist wenal khongdara pa matam da agi freedom saptan phangi ba do aine setning ba set pa adagi yum da su as a girl as a woman wena treat torop pa do adagi locality da su nupim sa dong na khanbirak pa hai tare koina pamja ba duga adugi mi kutuna khai nungai ki
Hauji moi Maruk Life Foundation go thengnabdagi aina smaina thaba tailoring smain jawba phangba khopje ai sisna zum nungai jare
Please am oya ziti nung sungai re hade aina setting ba standing ba ariki ai tong ba ko chi lo ya re family na hade ai thabak se phajana lai gra ba na thabak sungai thabak chala ba na hade homo amu haibdiko yumda thaba kem tawdi ngausana le di minensu kero le kai su sta be heleba tawta sajai se kai no khole ngang bi ko aduna aidi hausi da ni masara makta leira bana ai je fasana haidina chang ngai na thaba chalam na haidi le kai myan su fasana ai je singang se phari ne